Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use LastPass Password Manager in 2025 to keep your online accounts secure and organized. If you are trying to forgetting passwords or reusing the same weak ones, LastPass is the perfect solution. Let's dive in. First of all, what is LastPass? LastPass is a password manager that helps you store and autofill passwords, securely generate strong passwords, automatically sync passwords across all your devices, enable two-factor authentication for extra security. And the best part, you only need to remember one master password. Now, setting up LastPass. Step 1. Create a LastPass account. Go to lastpass.com. After that, click on Get LastPass Free, then select Try Personal Free. Then enter your email. Wait a minute. Enter your email, then master password like this. Then use a strong password and click Sign Ups. It's free. Now installing the LastPass browser extension and mobile app. Now install LastPass for easy access. From here, select Install LastPass for browsers, then select Add to Chrome, then select Add extension. Then log in with your LastPass account. For mobile devices, download the LastPass app from the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android and log in and enable autofill passwords. Here's how LastPass makes logging in super easy. When you log into a website, LastPass will ask to save the password like Gmail, like that. Next time, LastPass will autofill your login details, no typing needs. Open the LastPass extension and click Generate Secure Password. Adjust length and complexity. Use symbols, numbers, uppercase. Click on copy and use. For use it for your new account, then copy password and paste your website. Click the vault icon to see all saved passwords. Use folders to organize passwords, edit or delete saved credentials anytime. Need to share a password with family or a teammate? Do it securely with LastPass. Click on Saved Login in the vault, select Share, and enter the recipient's email. Choose View Only or Full Access. And that's it. Now you know how to use LastPass Password Manager in 2025 to keep your account safe and organized. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.